Markets have been extremely volatile in the past few months. After a very strong rally in 2023 and year 2024, the valuations had turned rich. In this backdrop, the deterioration in the macro environment domestically and globally resulted in a corrective phase in our equity markets. Domestically, we have seen that there is slowdown in the economy as well as in corporate earnings due to lower than expected spending by the government on the infrastructure projects and the softness in the consumption demand. Globally, the situation can be summarized in three words: Trump, tariffs, and turmoil. The Trump administration have levied tariffs on some of the countries, and the unpredictable behavior of the government has led to fluctuations in the global market. No wonder foreign investors have been selling relentlessly in most of the emerging markets in general and in India in particular. Consequently, we have seen that Nifty has pulled back by around 12 to 13% from its peak of 26,200. This is largely in line with what we have seen in the past. Almost every year, Nifty witnesses a 10 to 15% kind of a pullback, which is actually healthy for the markets. In terms of valuations also, Nifty now trades at 18.5 to 19 times 1 year forward earnings, which is largely in line with long-term PE multiples. However, valuations are still not reasonable in the mid-cap, micro-cap space, and we believe that the corrective phase in the broader markets could continue for some more time. So what should you do as an investor? Number one, do not panic. Do not stop your SIPs. If you are a medium to long-term investor, corrective phases is a good time to do cost averaging, and that is what the SIP will do for you. Continue with your SIP unless you have a skewed exposure to momentum, thematic sectors or towards the micro cap, small cap space. If you have that, then second thing you should do is you should fine tune your portfolio, both your mutual fund as well as your direct equity. In the direct equity side, weed out the underperformers and the poor quality companies and create a balanced kind of a portfolio. On the mutual fund side also, look to create a balanced portfolio with exposure to multi-cap, flexi-cap, hybrid funds also, along with small cap, mid-cap and thematic funds. Third, you should also use this opportunity to focus on asset allocation. Wealth creation is all about building a balanced portfolio and on a periodic basis fine-tuning your asset allocation. If required, take professional help for it, but this is basic essentials of building wealth in the equity markets. Our research team has also come out with some of the good quality stocks in the large cap as well as mid cap and small cap space. Please have a look at them. They will help you invest in a better manner.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.